Hey everybody, welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's go ahead and review this exercise before breaking it down. Now, I do really love blues guitar, so I do have a bit of a bias with regards to the style of guitar that I will play inside of my warm-ups. But I do really think that blues in general give great context to a majority of the skills that we all want to learn inside of the guitar. So you might see on our page, a blues lick that's more focused around slides or hammer-ons and pull-offs, or maybe it's to learn a specific lick on various parts of the neck so you can get more comfortable with the neck as an entire unit. There are a lot of scenarios in which we can utilize a blues lick to get us better at guitar overall, and for me this is one of those scenarios. We're just focusing this blues lick specifically around bending. All right, so I know I just went on a massive tangent about blues licks in general and how they apply to overall skill inside of the guitar. So let's just give you one thing to focus on inside of this exercise. And for me, I will see this or hear this rather often when somebody bends a string. They're being a little too aggressive, and you'll hear it with some additional strings around the bending string. So what I mean by that is you can hear that other string making some noise. Now, if you're going through a lick and you're going rather quickly, people probably won't hear this, but there are going to be scenarios where this is really obvious and it just doesn't sound great. And so my challenge to you on this is to really figure out a way that feels most comfortable, because you are your own individual, right? Figure out a way that feels most comfortable to you on how to get a really clean bend. So you might have to go really slow on this. Figure out how you want to actually hold the neck with your fretting hand. What is required of you on your picking hand? How do you actually have to angle your arm? Do you have to mute some strings? Right? Really take some time to figure that out and sort through that as you're warming up. All right, so I'm gonna leave it there. Take 5 to 10 minutes to just run through this lick over and over, increase your comfortability with these bends, and then move on to all the songs and solos you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.